Hello and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm just going to talk about how I fixed a rattle from the engine on this Toyota Corolla D4D 2.2. So basically what would happen is, as we're changing gear, it's coming up to some gear changes now, we'd pull away and you would hear a very dull rattle, and again as I lift off the accelerator here you would hear a rattle, and it was kind of like a reverberation, almost like the wastegate on the turbo rattling, or some kind of actuator link rod on the engine. However, I've now fixed it. I did try to record the noise, but it wouldn't show up. It was quite a very low, and I could detect the noise, but my family and friends would not hear this noise. It's just because I'm tuned into the engine. So in the following part of the video I'll just show you how I fixed it, and obviously I can confirm from road testing it now that the noise is now gone.
So I've had a good look around, and everything all seems to be tight in here. And the rattle that we've got manifests itself when you lift off the throttle, and I think I've found the rattle and traced it to this. So basically this pipe here is not secure within the air filter housing, and when you get a change of pressure inside the air filter housing it causes this to reverberate and rattle. So what we're going to do is just going to remove this and see if we can pad this out a little bit. So with that removed, what we're going to do is just put some tape around the inside of here, just as an isolator between the plastic pipe that goes in here. Tape around the inside of that, double-sided sticky tape, and we're going to refit that now and see if it reduces the play in the hose. So as we can see now, fit it back into place, and you can see that the two are moving around now. This filter housing is mounted on rubber bushing, so it is isolated from the body of the car, but this moving within the housing is, I believe, what was causing the rattle. So as we can see now, fit it back into place, and you can see that the two are moving around now. This filter housing is mounted on rubber bushing, so it is isolated from the body of the car, but this moving within the housing is, I believe, what was causing the rattle. With that all reinstalled, we can see no play now between this and that. I do move it around. I think where it hits up against this wiring harness you can hear a little bit of a noise. I might just Need to move that or take that out of the way. Yeah, maybe just a bit of tape there to take that out of the way, and then that will give me a bit more play as well. But yeah, just need to road test that and see whether that fixes the problem.